Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you join us. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the impressive CASIO G-SHOCK GM-2100C-5A watch and taking you on a journey through its remarkable features. Get ready to explore the world of rugged durability and cutting-edge design with us. First things first, we'll begin by unboxing this CASIO G-SHOCK. Witness the excitement as we unveil the product box, revealing the carefully crafted timepiece inside. We'll showcase every detail of the unboxing process, so you won't miss a thing. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's dive into the captivating features of this CASIO G-SHOCK. This watch is a true symbol of durability and style. With its green textile strap and stainless steel body, it combines comfort and toughness, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. This CASIO G-SHOCK is equipped with scratch-resistant mineral glass, ensuring exceptional visibility and protection against daily wear and tear. Its impact resistance feature provides additional durability, safeguarding the watch against accidental bumps and drops. This timepiece offers a range of practical functionalities to enhance your daily life. With features such as world time, automatic calendar, stopwatch, countdown, and alarms, it becomes a versatile tool that helps you stay organized and on schedule. The LED display lighting illuminates the watch face, making it easy to read the time even in low-light conditions. Whether you're in a dimly lit environment or exploring the outdoors at night, this feature ensures optimal visibility at all times. With a water resistance rating of 20 bar, this CASIO G-SHOCK is built to withstand water activities, including swimming and snorkeling. You can wear it with confidence, knowing it can handle the demands of your active lifestyle. This CASIO G-SHOCK is more than just a timekeeping device. It's a companion that empowers you to conquer challenges and embrace adventures. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or going about your daily activities, this watch will stand the test of time. In summary, this CASIO G-SHOCK is a remarkable timepiece that combines durability, functionality, and style. Its green textile strap, stainless steel body, and host of practical features make it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and fashionable watch. We hope you enjoyed this comprehensive overview of this CASIO G-SHOCK. Its exceptional design, rugged capabilities, and remarkable quality make it a timepiece worth considering. If you found this video informative and engaging, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now, let's take a moment to showcase how this CASIO G-SHOCK looks on the wrist. We'll demonstrate its size, fit, and overall aesthetic, allowing you to visualize how it complements your style and adds a touch of rugged elegance to any outfit. Join our community of watch enthusiasts and elevate your timekeeping experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.